Discover the essential tips for keeping your forklift in excellent condition. Let's answer your forklift maintenance questions. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you own or operate a forklift, you know how essential it is to keep it in top condition. But maintaining a forklift can be tricky if you're not sure what to look for. Today, we're going to answer your most common questions about forklift maintenance and help you keep your equipment running smoothly for years to come. So let's dive in. Question 1. How often should I maintain my forklift? The general rule is to do a basic inspection daily. This means checking things like the tires, fluid levels, and lights. But for more in-depth maintenance, you should schedule a service every 500 to 1,000 operating hours, depending on your forklift's model and how often it's used. Question 2. What should I check on a daily basis? Great question. On a daily basis, here's what you should check. Tires, look for any wear or damage that could affect stability. Fluids, check engine oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid. Low fluid levels can cause your forklift to malfunction. Lights and horn, ensure they're working in case of an emergency. Forks, look for signs of cracks or bending, as damaged forks can compromise safety. Question 3. How can I extend the life of my forklift? Want to get the most out of your forklift? Here are a few tips. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Always stick to the maintenance schedule recommended by the manufacturer. Keep it clean. A clean forklift works more efficiently. Wash it regularly to prevent debris buildup. Drive carefully. Avoid harsh driving, as sudden stops and sharp turns can cause unnecessary wear and tear. Question 4. What are some signs that my forklift needs repair? Signs that your forklift needs attention include unusual noises. Grinding or squeaking sounds could mean something's wrong with the engine or wheels. Sluggish movement. If your forklift isn't responding well to controls, it could indicate a mechanical issue. Fluid leaks. Any fluid pooling underneath could point to a leak in the system. Warning lights. If any lights appear on your forklift's dashboard, don't ignore them. They could signal something that needs immediate attention. Question 5. Can I perform forklift maintenance myself? Many daily checks like tire inspections and fluid levels are simple enough for you to do yourself. However, for anything more complex like replacing engine parts or working on the hydraulic system, it's best to call in a professional. Trying to do it yourself could lead to more damage and safety risks. That wraps up our answers to your most common forklift maintenance questions. Keeping your forklift in good shape not only boosts its performance, but also ensures the safety of everyone around you. If you've got any more questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your equipment in top condition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.